you in a bit. Let's hit it. Yeah, I miss Meeyaradee. I miss Meeyaradee every day. As it's very hard when you are so far apart, and the only way you can make any money is being in this country while we're both so far apart. And it's good that we can video call thanks to technology and modern computers. But sometimes it's not the same as it. It's not the same as actually holding each other. But, you know, so yeah, I miss her every day. I miss the tea as well, the green tea in Thailand. You can go into 7-Eleven and buy this really nice tea. It's just tasty, and it's just tasty, and it's like 22 baht. It's like 50p. 60p if you get the large one. And yeah, just generally being together. But yeah, we'll be together again. Just gotta keep working, isn't it? And I have a Kawasaki Superbike for fun, and a BMW R90 for fun, to make me smile and go, you know, I'm doing something really fun for myself. But yeah, I do miss having a BMW car. But car prices at the moment, it's really hard to find a good car in this country. It really is. You just want something simple like a 1 Series, and you'll find 1 Series, and then you'll go, oh no, it has an issue here, or you go to message the owner and they don't reply back. It's just, I can give you a million different things. But yeah. It's going to be good to hold Meeyaradee again, and me and Dad just need to figure out that, do I need to apply for a visa or do I not need to apply for a visa, because the Thai government are talking that the rules are going to change, and is it better that I have a visa just in case the rules change while I'm out there? It's crossing my mind. And apparently you can do that electronically now. So we'll see, won't we? We'll figure it out. But yeah, do miss her. It's when you wake up. It's when you wake up and she's not there. Like, actually in bed together, you know. So, have to bottle up all these emotions. Oh, hero, you're such a hero. Thanks for watching.
Until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beam.